up, everybody? So we're back. We got another video for you. You can see my hood is up, so we're gonna be doing something in the motor. You can also see this box here. So we got some exciting stuff. Nothing too difficult. Something that anyone could do at home. But it doesn't increase horsepower, but it's still pretty cool. And it's lighter than the stock one, so it's gonna make the car a little bit looser. So let me open up this box and show y'all what I got. So we got a pulley kit, and we got it in fucking gold, because you know I love gold, and everything on my car, every little detail is gonna be in gold. So I had to get the pulleys in gold too. So I got the water pump pulley, I got all the other accessory pulleys, all these little ones. These didn't come out in gold because they only make them in anodized gray, but whatever, that's cool. And we got a lightweight crank pulley, which is pretty cool. All of this is from NonStopTuning. You can go to their website and pick something up if you wanted to. Let me see if I can show you without all the plastic on there. Look at that. Oof. Oh man, that is beautiful. Such a nice ass color too. Such a strong gold. I think the crank pulley has their logo on it, which is awesome. Yeah, it does. So as you can see there, we got the NonStopTuning. This is cool though. I mean, it's not something that's very difficult. It's something that anyone can do at home, you know? And that's what I'm here for. Trying to teach everybody what you can do for a little bit of a cheaper price. Not something that's gonna, you know, break the bank, but you can still work on your car. We're gonna put all this shit in. I'm gonna turn on this light. I'm gonna give you guys a better angle so you can see under here. So let's start doing this. Let's go. First thing we're gonna do is remove this air box. On mine, I've already removed this section that goes under the front bumper. I don't think you actually have to, but I already did because I don't run it, so I don't have to remove this. You guys are definitely gonna have a piece here. Cool. So I'm pretty sure these are all either 10 or 12s, and there should be 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, and you should see it in here. So let me grab my tools here. 12. Nope, they're 10s. Now I gotta get a little screwdriver and remove this right here. Make sure that sensor is out. Just pull it out. There's a little clip here. Now I don't know if I want to take this all out or if I just want to take this section out. Let me take this section off and we'll see if I gotta take everything out. I'm gonna just take it off because I feel like it's gonna get in the way of all these pulleys and shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it off. So to take this part off, you don't really have to take this off if you don't want to. I might just take it off too because the pulleys are over here. But for this, get a little needle nose pliers and just move this out of the way and just yank that off. You can yank it off over here also. I don't really have needle nose, but I have these. And if you guys watched my last video, well maybe my 2 videos ago, then you'll know that I love these. These things are fucking awesome. I don't know, it's a clip remover tool, but it removes everything, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Move that shit out the way. Let me get a flathead for here. Okay, use flathead. Should be able to. Ooh, forgot about this map sensor. Boom! Ouch! Shit! I dropped something. What did I drop? Is it this? Okay, we need to find that. Cool. Thank God. Now I'm just gonna take this one off too, because fuck it. Why not? And I don't know if you guys know what this is, but I'm pretty sure this is the sound tube that goes into the engine bay. Sorry, not into the engine bay, into the actual cabin. that makes your car sound louder than it actually is. I want to get this removed one day, but I have to figure out what size plug I need for the firewall. Okay, cool. So now you can see here all the pulleys are exposed. To remove these top pulleys here, well, this top pulley here, you gotta take these, which I think are 10s. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one, obviously we're not gonna change that because that's the AC compressor. All right, so let me take those off. I have to remove this belt first. So I gotta figure out which one is the tensioner. 14. On the money. Cool. For this one, I'm gonna need a little breaker bar. So I don't know if you guys see, but this one right here, that is the tensioner. So you see how you put a little bit of pressure on it, it just moves, and the belt gets loose. That's all you gotta do. Just loosen it up, wiggle the belt off. All right, I'm just gonna take these off. I guess you have to. So move that shit out of the way. Boom. 24. When you want to remove the crank pulley, first thing you got to do is you got to put it into 6th and put the e-brake on. Obviously, it's a stick shift, so you got to do that. But that allows it to stay in place, so you can actually take this off. Because if not, when you put pressure on this, it just keeps moving the engine. So should I start with the crank? That one is the most difficult one. Let's start with the crank. You know, I'm definitely loosening it. Oh yeah, for sure. I'm gonna do the alternator pulley. So let me remove it. So from what I read online, so this part spins freely, right? So there's little fans in there, so what I have to do is put a flathead in there, into one of these holes here, and kind of jam it into the spot so that this can't move. And then take an impact here, and it's a 24 millimeter, and just like that, came out. Swap this out, put that bad boy in, look at that, damn! Done. There's one. Now I'm gonna take these out. These are what? 14s? Right, 14s. So let me see if this is enough to take it out. When I say this, I mean this. Look at that nastiness.
Round 1. Fight!
Damn. And this one also has the NonStopTuning logo on it, which is cool. So I had to do a little bit of research because I didn't know why this isn't moving. And it turns out there's a washer that comes on these OEM pulleys, and you actually don't have to use those for these, for the NonStopTuning ones. So I have to remove this again. Yeah, there we go. Now it's spinning. So now go on to the next one. Alright, that one's done. We got these to go. Now the last one I'm going to do is the water pump one before I do the crank. And I'm pretty sure that's 3 10mm bolts. Whoa. Alright, I have to wedge that somehow. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if you could see it, but I wedged a 10mm wrench onto the crank pulley, and I was able to get it out. Yeah, there we go. And now for this one, I just put the end of my reversible Phillips to flathead screwdriver into one of these holes. It fit into like one of the holes. I'll show you in a second, but into one of the holes in the pulley, it actually fit. Oh, fine. Out. Get that bitch out. This is a new one. So these are the holes I was talking about, the bigger holes. I jammed something in there. This is the aftermarket one, but still it's the same thing. And I jammed it into one of these little things on the top. It was able to come out. So might work for you as well. I did have to pry this off because there's like a little metal circle. There's another one. Last one is the goddamn crank pulley. I just wanted to share this amazing fucking trick that this guy on YouTube, I'm gonna figure out what his name is. Sorry if I don't have it off the top of my head. But he pretty much said to grab an old belt, if you have one, put it on the alternator, put it on the crank, and then tuck it under itself, and then put some pressure on it. So I've been trying for like 30-ish, 45 minutes to get this fucking crank pulley off. Was not able to. Just kept spinning, kept spinning. Dude, I did this shit. First try. Came right out. Look at this. Look at this. Bolt is coming right off. So, thank you so much to that guy, that YouTuber. Like I said, I'm going to link him so that everybody knows, because honestly, this just saved me. This really did. I was about to give up again, but nah. Not today, motherfuckers. Not today. There we go. And that bitch is off. Okay. Still got that ring. And now I just want to... Holy shit, there's a big difference. Alright, time to put this nice gold on here. Oh, and this is something that someone else said. So this thing right here in the back, there's a little hole. Obviously there's a big hole, but there's that little hole. So that is to seal the oil, from what I understand, the oil pump. So you gotta make sure that it goes in there or else it's not gonna sit right. Perfect, mine's in there. And then we can just put this bad boy back on there. Alright, so now we got all of them installed. Let me put the belt back on there. Now I just gotta put everything back together. Everything's back on. You can barely even tell that I have all these nice pulleys on, especially with this huge ass fucking air box. I should just get an air intake and get rid of all this shit. I really should. But that's probably for another day. I want to start it up. I want to feel to see if there's anything different. We're gonna do whoa. All right, we're gonna do first startup on this car. Let's see if we did it right. So we got the pulleys installed. Everything is looking good. The idling is looking fine. Awesome. The website quotes that it says 7 to 10 horsepower gains. I doubt it. I doubt I'm even gonna feel that shit. But you know, when I drive it, maybe. I'll let you guys know in the next video. Yeah, I hope I was informative. I hope that you guys that are doing this were able to follow my video. If not, you know, send me some feedback. Put something in the comments. Let me know if there's a better way to do it, faster way to do it. I'm always down to learn a little bit more than what I already know. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.